All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider smashing that like button, hitting that red subscribe button. But now let's talk about none other than Vechain. If we're looking at the entire markets right now, we're starting to see a little bit of red across the board, and that is due to Bitcoin's volatility. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for Vechain, but because what Vechain is doing right now is a lot of exciting things. So looking at the price, 3.3 cents, we're up 5% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 5.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. If you're looking at its market cap, $2.4 billion, with the 24-hour trading volume increasing, currently sitting at almost $150 million. A lot of excitement once again flowing into Vechain. In the next few hours, as mentioned to you guys before, is going to be really interesting. We have seen once again today Vechain hitting a new yearly high, and now we're approaching the most key resistance that we've been discussing throughout the bear market that we're about to retest, which is going to be absolutely insane. So you guys can see this for yourself. 20 hours ago, I posted this on Twitter, and it kind of blew up. Obviously, it didn't reach like thousands of views, but still, you can see this for yourself. I wrote, Vechain holders buckle up, key resistance about to get retested for the first time in 16 to 17 months, and that's what we're about to see happen in the upcoming hours ahead of us. But before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you can see about 44 minutes ago, I asked, my community, are you bullish on Vechain? And you can see this for yourself. This is solely on Vechain, not any other project. And about 189 votes have come in the last 44 minutes. And you can see about 53% of people have voted yes, and of course the other remainder 47 have said no. But what this is showing is that slowly but surely the interest level is picking up on Vechain. More people are starting to be bullish, and this is going to happen as the price continues to retest that resistance and actually breaks out of here. We're going to start seeing people that people that were not even focusing on Vechain all of the sudden are going to be Vechain moon boys, which is going to be really funny to see. But before we get into it, like I said, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. And yes, something I want you guys to be taking a very close look at is, of course, BTC has seen a little bit of retracement once again. And usually when Bitcoin sees a retracement, we do tend to see pretty much in the last 17 months, we've seen Vechain, going with the BTC momentum. So if Bitcoin goes down, Vechain is going to fall down. But this time around, it's different. Even though BTC was at 43.5 earlier today, we have seen a retracement, which you can see this for yourself, which is causing majority of the coins in the crypto space. You can literally see this for yourself that are down right now. But if we're looking at Vechain, it's not just holding really strong against BTC, but it has also hit a new yearly high. Buckle up, boys. Time is here. And speaking about that resistance, guys, you can see, of course, we did see a new yearly high almost at 3.34 cents. But the main target, the main key resistance is only 2% away. Maybe after I upload this video, we will already retest that resistance. And boy, if we break out of that resistance, let the fireworks begin. If you've seen what happened with ADA when it broke out of its bear market cycle, I could expect something similar to happen with Vechain if it breaks out of here. And as far as momentum is concerned, as I've said to you guys before, go look on Twitter, go look in the crypto communities. everyone is changing their outlook on Vechain. The overall sentiment and the talks around Vechain have completely changed. Because why? It's hitting key resistance, and of course when key resistances are retested, we do see people that are on the sidelines. Maybe there are people that were eyeing Vechain officially might wanting to get into it, because of course it is close to breaking out of its key resistance. And I think in the next few hours, now hear me out, if the price of Vechain is able to close above this resistance and close out the day above that resistance, this is the most bullish thing anyone can ask for. And I'm expecting targets such as 4.4 cent to come really, really fast. And if we want to put that 4.4 cents into perspective, that's a 30% increase. But I could see that happening really fast, especially if we're able to turn this 17-month resistance into support. Organic eyes will flow in, and you will start seeing people paying attention to Vechain, something that no one has been doing pretty much throughout the last 16 to 17 months. All of a sudden you're going to start seeing a lot of eyes on the project, and I am expecting exactly that to happen sooner than a lot of people think. It's a moment of truth, guys. Really put this into perspective, guys, because we haven't seen Vechain breaking out of this resistance literally since May of last year, when the bear market started. And now when we break out of this resistance, this is going to be really fun to see. So BTC right here, so usually what it does is, it ruins the fun for Vechain, over and over again. We've seen this happen literally so many times in the past, but I think this time around it's different. And as far as the momentum is concerned, it's stronger than, we've seen in the past, because like I said, we've seen BTC see a little bit of a pullback, but, Vechain is still holding really strong against the entire market. So that should speak for itself as to what is going on. And yesterday we did also hear an announcement coming out of Vechain and Walmart, which again is something that is not new, but I think this headline has made it has made it to more masses than usual. Maybe the newcomers that don't really realize what Vechain is doing might have started to realize, hold on, Walmart is not a small name. Walmart, China, and Vechain, of course, that is something, we've been knowing for quite some time if you've been following Vechain. But, this is bringing new eyes to the project. And I think the next few days are going to be very interesting, especially if we break out of this resistance and let the party start. Shout out to the day one supporters of Vechain, especially the people that have been picking it up when literally no one was touching it. They are the true winners, and I wish these guys the absolute best. So let me show you what I could see happening. So let me switch to actually not Sol, ADA, USDT. Let me show you what I can see happening. So look at the similarities. So we had this resistance pretty much popping out for ADA, and you can see this for yourself. Once we broke out of this resistance for ADA, look what happened with the price. And I can see something similar happening once we break out of this resistance for Vechain. So like I said, the next few hours are very important. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you hold Vechain? What is your overall take on the project? And of course, what do you think the price will be at as we do go into 2024? Let me know in the comments. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.